Hello guys, and welcome once more to NEP. Channel to tell myself okay, if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link of the channel to some student, family member, or even friend out there that needs to improve his or math skills and also in physics. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board that says simplify what? 1 divide what? X minus 3y minus what? 2 divide x plus y. So this is a simple problem on what? Algebraic what expression. So we want to simplify that. Remember, if you have a fraction, whether plus or minus, one way to solve a fraction is you cross multiply. Okay, denominator to numerator and what? Denominator to what? Numerator. Then you multiply what? Both what? Denominators. So we are going to use that idea or approach in this question. So our solution to this, I'm going to use this to multiply 1. So 1 is going to multiply x plus what? 4y. Then we have minus at the middle. We have 2. Now 2 is going to multiply what? X minus what? 3y. So all this is going to divide. Now the denominator of this is going to multiply this. So we have x minus 3y is going to multiply what? X plus what? 4y. So now that we have this expression, we can now open the brackets. So 1 here is going to multiply this and minus 2 here is going to multiply x and what? Minus 3y. Let's multiply those and see what that gives us. So basically we are going to get 1 times x, what? X. 1 times plus 4y is still plus what? 4y. Now minus 2 times x is going to give us minus 2x. Now minus 2 times minus 3y. Minus times minus is plus. Okay, that's a simple rule. Once the signs are the same, you change it to plus. Now 2 times what? 3 is 6. And we have what? Y. Now for the denominator, most exams, okay, you may not necessarily multiply the denominator, most especially if you're dealing with multi-choice what questions. Okay, but if it is theory or theory questions, you can open the bracket at the denominator. But for this video, I won't be opening the bracket at the denominator. So we are going to leave it at x minus 3y. Okay, multiply x plus what? 4y. So at this point, we are now going to simplify the numerator. And what do we do at this point? We want to check for like x. You can see we have x here, we have minus 2x here, we have plus 4y, and we have what? Plus 6y. Okay, since the y's are positive attached to what? The coefficient, so let's start with y's. So we have plus 4y, so we have 4y, and plus what? 6y. So I've collected plus 4y and plus 6y. Now the next thing is, what are we left with? We are left with x. There's a plus here, so we can say plus x. And we have minus what? 2x. So all this is going to divide. We still have our x minus 3y multiply what? X plus what? 4y. Alright, so from this, we can now finish this up and get our what? Answer to the simple question. So 4y plus 6y is going to give me 10. Okay, y. Now what about plus x minus 2x? First, 2 is bigger, so I want to pick this sign. So we have minus. Okay. Now since we have plus minus, we are going to subtract. So 2x minus x is going to give us what? It's going to give us x. So divide by what? We have x minus 3y multiply x plus 4y. So like I rightly said, depending on the exam condition, you can leave your answer this. But if it is theory-based questions, you can also what? Open this bracket. So this gives us a simple solution to this simple problem on what? Algebraic what? Simplification. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. You take care.